How to sign into Skywest Employee Portal online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Skywest Airlines is an American regional airline headquartered in St. George, Utah, United States. Skywest operates and maintains aircraft used on flights that are scheduled, marketed and sold by four partner mainline airlines. If you are the employee of Skywest and you want to log in, simply open up any web browser and then head over to skywestonline.com. Here on the right hand side, you want to enter your employee ID, then enter your password. After you have entered both the details, click on the login option. If you are a new employee, you want to click on the register option and then follow the on-screen prompts to register your account. After that, you can log into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the option of Forgot Password. Then you will have to enter some of your details. Enter the details such as your employee ID, then enter the hire date. After that, enter your birth date and then enter the last four digits of your social security number. Once you have entered all the details, you want to click on the option of Continue, and from there you will be able to reset your password. If you face any difficulty while logging in, you can simply contact the IT help desk by dialing the number given below. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.